Welcome by Stuff Made by Nick. In today's video I will show you how you can make your own wooden lamp with printed parts. For the wooden lamp I need to saw 12 pieces at the same length. I don't have a miter saw, but I have a miter box. I clamped a piece of wood to the table so I can saw the 12 pieces at the same length. I've cut all the 12 pieces, now it's time to sand them. All the wood is sanded, now we put some oil on it and after 10 minutes we wipe off the excess. It is 10 minutes later, now we can wipe off the excess. The wooden part is finished, now it's time for the electrical parts. First I will put the fitting in the circle and then we do the wires. The electrical part's done, now we will test it and when it is working we put the wood together and then it's the lamp finished. So as you can see, it is working. I put the lamp together, now I put the light bulb in and then it is finished. And there you have it, your homemade wooden lamp with printed wires. You can use it in different kinds of ways, or put it on the table right like this, or on this way. If you like it, give a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.